Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to use Jamboard. This is one of the Google apps which can be used for many tools. So for that, first we have to click on Google Apps. Next, scroll down here. You have Jamboard. Please click on Jamboard. Also, a mobile app is available in the name of Jamboard. You can download it and use as it is how we are using in the Gmail. Yes, if it is for the very first time, please click on New Jam here. Yes, after clicking New Jam, you can see like this. Click on Untitled Jam to rename here. Yes, I am clicking it. I will be typing this as Sample Jam. Let me write Sample Jamboard. Okay. Yes. Coming to the first point here, there is a zoom option. We can change the background. Let's click the background here. This is none. This doesn't have any background, that is only white color. Here dots, if we click on dots, it will be changed like this. Next, again if I click on rules, that will be like a ruled note paper. Again we have squares. This can be used as a graph sheet. Next we have graph. This can also be used as a graph sheet, and this is solid color blue, and the last one is chalkboard, nothing but a very black. So if you want to clear the frame, just click on clear frame like that. After drawing some drawings, if we click on clear frame, we can see that all the options, all the drawings will be deleted on the file. Next, coming to expand frame bar here, you can go create a frame here. By clicking here, you will get the second frame like this, and if you want the third frame, yes, click like this. If you want the fourth frame, yes, click again like this. So in this manner we can create n number of frames by using the expand frame bar command. So here you have options, more actions. You can rename the board, you can download the entire work as PDF, we can save the frame as an image, we can remove, that is delete, we can make a copy, that is a duplicate one. These are the updates, and feedback may be sent based on our interest to Google. So coming to the tools here, we have once we click here, this is a pen, and this is a marker, this is highlighter, and this is brush. We can choose based on our interest, and the color we can also choose blue, green, red, yellow and white. Yes, I'll be choosing white, and if I choose pen, yes, what can I do? I can draw like this. And if I choose marker, yes, somewhat thick it is. In the same manner, if I choose the highlighter, that is white in color, yes, it will be something highlighting. Brush, yes, brush can be used based on the color. Yes, if I want to change background, I'll be change the background to this color, and I can change the background to graph sheet. I can change the background to white color, and I can change the background to blue. Right. So this is erase option. We can erase whatever we wish like this. Next, we have select. This is a cursor. If you want to select something, you can use this. And this is most important, sticky note. So what is sticky note here? Let's have, just click on sticky note. You can also use Control plus Shift plus P as shortcut here while using this Jamboard. Next, if you want to use a sticky note, yes, please click on this sticky note, write something, sticky one, yes. After clicking save, you'll get an option like this. And if I want to add one more, yes, sticky 2. Next, you can change the color, green, blue, pink and orange, and none. It can be called next orange. Please click on save and click on cancel. This is and you can rotate in whatever direction you can desire, and we can expand the sticky notes by clicking it down like this. You can make it small or large, and if you think that the matter inside is not correct, please go to the option here, click on edit, and you can edit whatever you wish, correct your wish. This is save, and this is like this. And if you want the duplicate of this sticky note, please have a duplicate one here itself. You can write this, and also you can delete it. Yes, this is the use. And this one is laser. So this one is laser. Just click on laser, and this is used like this, and it will disappear after use. This is used best for animation while recording the screen. So what is the other thing? How can we give assignments to the students which attract them? So let me go to the next frame by clicking here. Here I have an option like add image. When I click on add image, so we can directly add image from the computer, or you can also search from Google image search. Yes, here I'll search a dam. Yes, so you will get pictures of dam like how you search in Google. You can select whichever the picture you want or image you want. Yes, let me select this one, and after the selection, let's wait till it gets uploaded. Yeah, this image can also be duplicated or deleted, and it can be rotated like in sticky notes, and it can be made small. That is up to us. Yes, now add sticky notes. How? What is it? You can ask the students. You can download this as an image, and you can send it to the primary students or to the technical students. Yes, you can add some more. So when you click on option here and save frame and image, what happens? Yes, save file. Let me save file here. Yes, when I open it, this is what we get, the easy output. So in an easy manner. So when you show the figure in the online class to the students, so they must be in a position to answer this immediately after seeing the image. So by using Jamboard, we can create n number of images in an easy manner with attractive. So in this way, you can use Google Jamboard, and if you want this to share, yes, share option here, and you can share with some other email ID, whatever you wish. And if you want others to see this just with link, you have to see the option change to anyone with link here. Please click on here, So anyone with the link can view. Yes, they must be a viewer, not an editor. If they are editors, so what happens? They can edit the jam however they wish. So instead of that, if you want them to edit, you can send it as edit. So if you want just to view, please tell that please click that only viewer here. Yes, if you want it to send to many members, like in a WhatsApp group or Telegram group, just we can copy the link by clicking here. Link copied will be coming here, and next we can paste it directly using Gmail or WhatsApp web or whatever, depending on the person's interest. That's what. So we can share it to others and know who is editing here while the Google Jamboard is open to you. Yes, that's all regarding Google Jamboard. Yes, please start online class by using Google Jamboard. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video.